you know.
Ebube, you won't believe what I heard. So this is what royalty does to people. It puts them above the law. Hey, so this woman literally burnt down someone's only means of livelihood. Yet, the king wouldn't allow her to be questioned by the law. Hi. Now what? Ebube, did you hear what I just said? Ebube!
Hi! Hey, why did you hit me like that now? Yeah? Sorry, has it been long you're standing here? I mean, have you been talking to me?
No, I'll be singing. Ebube, I have watched you since yesterday and I've been meaning to ask, what is the matter?
Yeah. There's nothing. Just that I'm stressed lately.
You're telling lies.
Lies how? Why would I lie to you?
Ask yourself. Yes, ask yourself because you know the truth. You are lying to me.
Hey. Come now.
There.
What are you guys doing?
Nze, that is not a good way to welcome someone you haven't seen in such a while.
I'm telling you.
Oh, Teacher Chichi, even you. Don't I also see you?
I don't even understand. Why are you always too full of yourself? Eh? What do you dey booga for every time you go carry your shit that they go up? What's so special about you? We are on our way to your house, eh? And you're asking all this stupid question. What's all this?
Are you sure both of you are on your way to my house, or that prostitute sent you to come and beg me?
Nze, are you still this way? Anyways, I am not surprised.
Wait. You think Yellow will pause her life because of you?
No, now.
You think her world revolves around you? Eh? What's so special about you? What do you think you are?
Please, what do you want? What do you girls want? What do you want?
Oh, Chichi, let's go. Let's go.
Wait. Allow me to deal with this beast. Let me tell him what is in my mind.
Oh, Chichi. What are you saying? What do you want to say? He's not worth it. Let's go.
Hear me.
Which anger? Your anger, they learn.
See,
I beg.
look here, both of you. I have told your friend Yelum to stay off me.
What's in diamond on 2 ways time? Suppose don't show sense now. I don't understand the matter with this one.
Okay, yeah. That thing is coming. Yeah. Bro, what's up?
Hey,
I'm ready now.
Wow.
Guy. Guy, if you're sounding very historical value from what's going on now, what's in the sub?
Not small good girl don't enter like this.
How they tell you the truth? I don't understand. What's in the sub now? Which guy big matter be that one?
So if you say Kelebe will carry me so. They say we could bring concrete evidence. That's strong evidence. Unless all of us like this go enter. Unless we go fall in.
I don't understand. Go where? Falling where? Clarify me. Jima understand what's in the sub.
But wait to first, I say wait to make you follow them, go the palace. Make it be say you go prove say na princess, now you run the matter. So what you call the solve?
You get a right to. But you see that king there, na King Solomon.
Hey!
The guy carry wisdom. The guy say they fit pay anybody for street to come talk with I talk. You see so if we no bring strong evidence, that's concrete one, we go hear am. And the king, you see, make those Kelebe no come palace again. Make they no reach here again. I tell you.
Guy, no be serious but girl we enter, so naga about the question now. What you go do now? What you go do?
What did they yarn?
Wow.
Now wisdom go put now. We go apply wisdom now. Now to go meet Madam Lizzie. Not be she send us.
I make me they call you Diamond.
You have a point there.
Now the normal thing we supposed to do, so you see, it has to be like this now. Make we go run am now. What do they wait for?
We go apply wisdom. After all, she say if anything comes up, she go come for us. Now something not come up, more go for her first. Not be so.
More go me.
Come, that's it.
If you do a shit, you just say, because I'm wise. I be you no know. I be you no know. That because I'm wise.
Kelebe. On. What did you find?
If you do a shit, you just say, because I'm wise. I be you no know. I be you no know. That because I'm wise.
Nah, bro, call this woman now. What are you waiting for? Can't you see they've taken Diamond?
Bobby, calm down. You calm down now. Not be sure they put cost so she know they pick.
But bro, make I ask you. What if this lady got a hint about this screw-up nation and decide to abandon us?
But nothing like that fit happen. You don't feel soap now. That kind of matter no feel soap. Me and I go still dey try am.
The wisdom is far higher than the wisdom of man. If you do a shit, you just say.
Mama. Mama, na Diamond and friend na in the yarn. I beg, matter dey grand like this, Yawa don gas. Like they don't arrest Diamond like this as I yarn you so. Na just na like this na you just sup oh. Just say make I enter one corner, make I reach you out now. Mama, I wish soon I go be out now. You got reason us to make we know what the matter they be now. Someone they mad. You don't cut for my ear so.
Bro, listen. She had better done something about this. It's not about saying I got this.
Hey.
Because for me, I no go hesitate to carry this my 2 legs, go police station, go tell them the whole truth.
Calm down. Small matter we don't sup like this now. Your body don't dey
Like, I know they tell me to calm down. You carry mad, you get mad, they tell me say make I calm down. Hey. When you see wetin they sub in front of us, they just arrested Diamond and they tell me to calm down. Wait, make I ask you. Who do you think they will come for next if we don't tell them the whole truth? Have you ever thought of that?
See, make I yarn you matter. When I the reason on I say this matter will scary like this, it too dey study. When they put that for my body, now you don't solve.
We need solution.
Bros,
now.
calm down.
No, they apportion blame. Now solution.
Bros, calm down. Leave that matter.
Nah, more come on here, beg. Before this will come.
I beg they go.
They come on. Guy, come back. I don't need you.
Make we no do am. Say make we go do am. It too sudden. Nothing they happen. To my girlfriend. You don't stop now. Everybody now don't they talk. Wow.
Yellow! Yellow! Hey, come. It's my brother. What happened? What happened to your brother? They called me a few minutes ago that he's at the police station. Police what? Hey. What did he do? What was he doing there? I don't know. Please, I want you to come with me. Please, let's go. Hey, let's go. We'll just call Gloria. Yes.
I am definitely not going to allow you to toss me up and down just the way you like it. I am not afraid of you. Even putting up a stupid frame-up with your stupid friends cannot change anything.
You seem to be forgetting something, young man. I am Princess Pamela. I can decide to hide you from the eyes of the world. And trust me, darling, I will deal with you really slowly, and it will be painful.
I don't care. You can go ahead and do your worst, but when you're on it, I think now that the prince is back, is this the right time for me to let him know everything that happened? I don't like being caught by surprise.
I dare you. Try it.
We shall see.
Yellow. Calm down. It's okay. Don't you dare tell me to calm down. It was your brother all this while. Just how much did Pamela pay him to do what he did to me?
But he confessed to the police he never knew you were his sister's friend.
Lies! That's a big fat lie. I know Diamond and Diamond knows me too. Rather than tell the police the truth that he was just looking for the next available money to fund his reckless lifestyle, he had to lie that he doesn't know that I'm his sister's friend or that the booker belongs to me.
Yellow, all I am saying is that you should calm down.
Allow the police to handle it the very best way they can.
I have heard so many things about Diamond's activities in this village, and I don't pity him at all. That's why I'm saying this.
Chidera, leave my house this minute.
No. It hasn't gotten to this.
How could you speak to me like that?
Chidera, please. I just want you to calm down. As you can see, she's in pain. She didn't mean it. Please.
She's in pain? What about me? Am I not pained too? It is my blood that is in that police custody. No matter what. It is my brother that is in that police cell too.
Please, you guys should calm down. Just let's. Yellow. Chidera. Yellow.
Listen to me. I am not supposed to be doing what I'm doing now. I shorted you to enable you to tell us who sent you. And this is the most lenient you can ever get. You have exactly 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Thank you. I'm not going to disappoint you.
And you're not going to try to run away.
No wahala.
You can go. 2 weeks. Diamond, 2 weeks.
I don't hear. Thank you.
No matter what, the will of God must be done. No matter what, if a trick
Binyalum, it's like you have a visitor.
God dispose, so who can change it? The minds of the gods, for the gods are wise.
What are you doing here? How may I help you?
You don't treat your visitor like this. At least first you have to usher him in.
Uncle, he is not my visitor. And he's not welcomed in his house.
Binyalum, I'm sorry I wasn't aware of all the things you went through while I was away. And that is why I've come to say.
You see?
You know, Zubi told me that he has already let you know that I traveled to Calabar for a 3 weeks course. And I'm sorry for all that happened to you. I'm sorry for your mother's death.
We buried her 2 days later. Though she refused to mourn her because her church for this mourning the dead.
Uncle.
Binyalum, I am so sorry for all that, okay? And I feel so bad that I wasn't there to console you. I'm sorry.
You do not have any sense of responsibility over me. You're not a member of my family.
Binyalum, coming here to see you is enough, making him a member of our family.
Uncle.
Binyalum, I know it's not my responsibility, but I still have to say I'm sorry. You know, I'm not just there when all these things happened to you.
My son, aren't you such a guardian angel for this lesson?
Uncle, it's enough. It's enough. Okay, please. Prince Charles, I do not need your help. What's the point of administering medicine when the patient is already dead? Tell me.
And who is the dead patient here? If I may ask, are you a prince?
Have this.
Eh?
And goodbye.
All this for me?
Please give it to her.
And if she refuses?
She won't. Just try and make sure that she takes it.
Why are you wasting my time trying to force her to accept the money when I can simply keep it?
Force her to take it. Make her to take it. Okay? Give it to her.
One bundle. Binyalum, even though if I force you to collect this money, so one bow.
And the wisdom of men. If you do, I shall you not say, because
I'm tired of your silent treatment ever since you got back. What did I say I did this time?
He who wears the shoes know where he pinches most.
Come on, Charles. I don't have such shoes. If I did, I would have thrown it out a long time ago. Go straight to the point.
It's just an expression. A way of meaning something.
I know. And that's why I said go straight to the point. Mean it directly, not indirectly.
Okay, fine. You killed Nyelum's mother. And I will never forgive you about that. As if that wasn't enough. You went to their house with hoodlums to burn down their buka and used your father's influence to hold the hands of law.
Charles Obimwa, how long have you been musing on this allegation? Come on. I I know you wouldn't believe this, but I'm innocent of all these allegations.
I'm not surprised. I knew you were going to lie about it.
And that's why I said, I knew you wouldn't believe me. But trust me, I'm innocent.
Are you really innocent?
Would I be this bold and defensive if I wasn't?
You're always bold and defensive. Always.
Charles, I know I'm a bit crazy, but I wouldn't hurt a fly.
Did you see the text message Binyelum sent to my phone about her mother's critical illness when you seized my phone before I went to Calabar?
Just calm down, okay?
Don't tell me to calm down. Answer my question.
Well, yes, I did. But you didn't expect me to come flag the text message before you when it was so glaring that both of you were having an affair.
Is that what you think? Unfortunately, my friendship with Binyelum wasn't that serious. Not to talk of dating.
But your insistent hanging around her said otherwise.
Do you know I would have saved that poor girl's mother if I had access to my phone? But unfortunately, you seized my phone. And that woman needed to be saved. But you seized my phone.
I'm sorry she lost her mother. I didn't know.
That poor girl came here, but you keep sending her away. You even went to her house to mock and call her names. Princess Pamela. I hate you.
Charles, hate is too strong a word.
Princess Pamela, I hate you.
You wouldn't want that on your conscience, Charles.
Uncle, good day. Uncle, what are you doing?
Your friend is inside. Go and see her.
I know. Uncle, whose money is this?
The prince was here. Yes.
He was here?
He drove down here by himself.
Hey.
That poor boy drove all the way from his village down here to say sorry and give her plenty of money.
Are you serious?
She rejected both the sorry and the money. What I'm doing now is to split the money. Then I will give this one to her mother and then keep this one to myself.
You will give this one to her mother? Ha! Uncle, now. How do you intend to do that?
Do what?
To give...
Hey! No, my hammer. Did you plan this?
Plan what?
So who can change it? The minds of the gods. For the gods are wise. The gods are wise. The gods are wise. They are wise.
There are ways
There
now.
are
There
come
are
now.
ways.
What?
What is it?
Hey.
What is it? What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, okay? Look, I went out of line, but I was just overwhelmed by...
Overwhelmed by what? I too am also overwhelmed because my brother is not completely free. You both should leave my house. In fact, what am I even saying? You guys on the road, you can stay here for all I care.
Jidara, please, calm down. We are all friends, and we always settle our differences without raising voices. Even when we are much younger. Please, She says she's sorry. Just forgive her.
Then why did she accuse me of inciting Diamond to burn down her buka? Why?
But she has apologized. Can you just forgive her, please? It's okay now.
Yeah, please.
Huh?
Please.
It's okay. Sorry.
You say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Alright, let's go inside.
You have come.
Ever since you got back from Calabar, you've been treating me like someone who has palsy. What's going on, Charles?
And that is how you're making people in this palace feel. Now you're getting the link of how you make people feel, how bad you make people feel.
What has that got to do with anything? Why are you justifying it with the things I do? How does sex concern the things I do?
Hey, bring your voice down, you might wake the king up.
And who cares about the king? I do not care about the king or anyone else. If I cannot have what I want, then I don't care about everybody else.
Then mind your tongue. You're talking about my father here.
And I'm asking you for sex. I'm not talking about your father, Charles.
And I'm not discussing about it.
I'm not asking you for a conversation, Charles. I'm asking for sex.
I'm not giving it to you.
And that's what I want. And you
don't know
won't
what
give
you're
it to me.
talking about.
Charles, you won't give it to me.
I am not
I
giving it
said
to
you
you.
will
I
give
don't.
it to me.
I'm not
You
giving
will
it.
give it to me, Charles. You are my husband.
Is that not the prince and princess voice?
They are the ones.
I wonder what is going on up there.
At this time of the night.
How would they be fighting?
Please, let's go back to our quarters before they catch yourself. Let us go.
I can't even sleep. I don't even know. Shh. I don't have to beg you for this, do I? You have to perform your duties, Charles. You will perform your duties, Charles.
Take it by force, eh? Take it by force, eh?
Charles!
Come on, take it.
Charles!
Take it.
Chai. Women and their ninth wahala. Eh?
Which woman? Eh? Everybody knows that this particular woman is not normal. Don't you know? Something is definitely wrong with her.
No. Did you know that since Prince returned, it has been from one quarrel to another quarrel. And now this one.
And that's what I want, and you won't give it to me.
What? Let her allow Prince to sleep now, eh? Now by force to do.
Before uncle, why won't he do? Is it not his duty to do? Yeah? Or does he want her to go and get it from another man outside? Yeah? Something they... Hey, Bubi.
Hi!
What are you saying, sir?
What? What's the meaning of that?
I've asked you this before. Is there anything going on? Or has she hypnotized you too? Eh?
Leave a Bubi out of this, I beg. Leave a Bubi. Or is it not your fellow woman that is not allowing the whole people in this palace not to sleep this night?
Thank you, my brother.
I fear will not fear woman.
Thank you. Ask her. The same thing me, Ebube, has been begging.
And we all know that this woman is different. She's not like us.
She's not like you.
It's the same species now.
But now the same thing, me and Ebube, they beg since 9 Oga. They beg Oga to come do.
You will perform your duties, Charles. You will give it to me, Charles. You are my husband. I don't have to beg you for this, do I?
Let me have it.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
Keep your hypocritic salutation to yourself. I see. You have graduated into spying into my room while I'm having a fight with my husband.
Your loud scream and shout woke everybody up. And I was wondering if the prince now has a Calabar girlfriend. Because they are known for hypnotizing men with their popular charm called come Naomi.
What's that?
Well, it is a powerful love potion they use in order to completely buy off his heart.
I see. Is that why he's been acting up ever since he got back?
Well, that's usually one of the signs. Before you know it, the prince will chase you out and bring in a Calabar girl.
Not on their lives. They wouldn't dare. But how do you know this?
Because that's how my mother was married.
What? You mean your mother was a...
Yes. She proudly was.
Wow. I see. But why are you telling me all of this?
Not, just that I'm happy. If she succeeded in entrapping your husband's heart, I will join forces with her. At least then I will tell your husband the things I know, the things I have seen, even the one you are doing with your accountant.
How dare you! Shut your mouth! Get out of this place!
You're still shouting.
Try me and I will deal with you severely. Get out!
Pamela,
Get out of this
place! You're shouting at me. Pamela, you're shouting.
Get out! Get out of this place!
That's how you got to say, Abby. Eh? Don't worry.
If you stay there, I'll just clear you off my road. Get out!
Don't worry. Your husband must hear it. Whether you like it or not, you.
No matter what, the will of God must be done. No matter what, if a chukuku man will propose, God will dispose. So who can change the minds of the gods? For the gods are wise.
This is not funny anymore. Imagine what that fool told me.
Then, if what he told you is true, girl, you have a big battle to fight. Big one.
Trust me, this is getting more and more complicated than we originally envisaged. What do I do now?
It's simple. Intensify your attachment rate on him. Know where he goes to, who he calls, his response.
But how do I do all of that? Are we some semi-twin? At this rate, I think I'll just allow Charles do whatever he wants to do. That will just be the bottom line because I can't deal with all of this. Right?
Don't even try it.
No matter what, the will of God must be done. No matter what, if a chukuku man will propose, God will dispose. So who can change the minds of the gods?
What?
Chinenye said he stopped her from cooking my meals. Yet there's no food for me to eat.
Okay. I did.
And what's the meaning of that? I'm hungry.
Really? Prince Charles, hungry? Well, it's been 7 days, Charles. 7 whole days. In case you're not counting, that you haven't given me the other kind of food. Have you ever had the saying, scratch my back and I'll scratch yours?
What the hell are you talking about? I'm hungry right now. I need to eat.
You're almost crying because of physical food. Yet you're not giving me the spiritual food. It's simple. Give me the spiritual food and I'll give you the physical food. Deal or no deal, Charles?
Let me have the keys.
Whatever.
You know, your mother left a great legacy.
My mother had nothing. What legacy did she leave behind?
Cooking skills.
Does that mean the food meets up with your taste?
More than my satisfaction. Yes. You know, Binyelum, your food satisfies me a lot. I like your meal. And I would love to be eating your meal all the time. But not like this anymore. Not in secrets anymore. So I want to make a request.
If that is a way of you asking me to marry you, then you should know I wouldn't accept. I can be everything, but certainly not a second wife.
Calm down, okay? That is not a request I want to make.
It is not? What is it then?
What is wrong in seeing someone you like? Besides, she's just an ordinary friend.
Bro, you know I will never lie to you. I think you should stop seeing that girl. That girl is the reason your wife keeps fighting you. There is nothing in that girl that you cannot make out of your woman. So I don't see any reason of looking outside.
Binyelum has peace. And she doesn't force it. You know, you feel this sort of peace of mind whenever you're around her. Though she's poor, but she's extremely brilliant and knowledgeable.
I don't know why something inside me keeps telling me that you're in love with that girl.
That is not an impossibility. I asked her for a request.
What request? I hope you do not ask her to marry you, because I will never support such.
No, I asked her to marry you.
Come on, bro.
So you see, I want you to marry that girl. That girl will give you peace of mind. Believe me.
Tell me you're joking.
I am not joking. I am fully convinced that she will make a good wife for you.
So who can change it? The minds of the gods. For the gods are wise. The gods are wise. The gods are wise. They are wise.
Listen, I hardly believe a man. Men are dicey and deceitful to be trusted.
Have you been listening to everything I've been saying? Charles was seriously persuading his younger brother to get married to the same girl. Why would he do that? Why would he want to force or persuade his brother to marry this girl you claim he's in love with? I really don't understand all of this at this point.
Exactly my point. You don't ever make sense from sensible things. What if this is his own strategy to get Binyelum all for himself? Under the so-called, I want best for my younger brother. Look at this thing. This is not only Zubi and Binyelum. Charles is there playing strong.
I don't understand. And trust me, it doesn't make any sense to me at all.
What do you mean it doesn't make sense? I mean, he might just have his own personal reasons in all of this.
My dear, opportunity they say comes but once. You just have to be right in the advice you give her.
What did I say? I mean, I just want us to put our heads together in all of this.
It doesn't seem so to me. I think you are rather being too unexamining in your judgments.
But I am not judging anyone. We just don't want our friend making a mistake.
Me too. I think she should accept his proposal. Yes, it might be lifetime opportunity.
I can't just accept the proposal like that. The person in question he hasn't even talked to me about it yet. And this whole thing, for the most part, is beginning to look like an arranged stuff.
It doesn't matter. You have been dealing with Prince Charles. At least it will give you an idea of who the younger brother is.
No two individuals are the same. Even identical twins are not identical in their proclivities.
Whatever that word means, my own is that Prince Zubi should make the move and not Charles.
Yes, for that reason, we have to wait and see how things unfold. Yellow, you just have to keep your heart and mind open, okay?
I'm worried, boss.
Worried? Over what?
I'm worried about the boy you chose to set free. I actually think him and his friends should be arrested and made to face the law.
Magnus, why do I keep having this feeling that you don't know what I'm doing? Trust me.
I'm sorry, boss. I know you get it right.
Fine.
Most of the time.
But we have given him enough time to provide the necessary evidence we need as to who sent them. And he is not forthcoming with it. Magnus, that boy still has a grace of 3 days. 3 solid days. We will give him the benefit of doubt.
Which kind of benefit of doubt? Like, you know clear for I say this woman don't plan and keep for us. May we go jail, go rotten. Like, you know clear for your eye, Abi. Women they that die, like you know clear for eye.
Bro, look, you too they panic. Why are you overthinking it?
See, but I think this boy get point.
Oh, you see him? Even Diamond said, even he agree say at least for once in life he agree say are they right.
See, leave that one first. See, check it like this. Police catch me, people say, do man no show up. Even till now, I don't even do anything.
Yeah.
What do you think? She don't even keep to her own word. She just break what she promised us.
Oh.
Not be betrayer.
Don't say him.
Not be betrayer be that. She don't betray us.
Guys, let's relax. Let's relax. Let's take a chill pill. The question here is, what do we do?
What do we do?
Nah, see this man.
What do we do? Not to expose her now. Pium. What else? We go down alone. She go follow us go down. What they worry you?
See, brothers, I think we're being a little bit hasty here. Remember, she promised us that if anything goes wrong, she will come for us. Let's give her some time, bro.
This guy the crazy so. We there the plan say we don't already dance finish. She said she promised us. It's like, what's the worry you?
Remember the thing where the hell is now you the chance me, say the panic. Now you can't the chance me.
Wait. Men are firm there. Men are relax.
Start they holler me now. What's him now? What's him come be your own?
Men are relax.
Make you watch your back. Oh.
You didn't hear what? See, what we go do now? I go send her the last message. We will give her till tomorrow. If no response, you know what to go do? We go find them now. Abi?
I talked this thing before. Say this thing too sudden. On I say the girl and my girlfriend. See the gbege. See the gbege. Make we no do. On I say na my girlfriend.
Come. So where you go?
See am now.
Your mother house. Come back here.
If you do, I say you no say because I'm wise. I be you no know. I be you.
What is going on? I'm talking to you. What is going on?
Where?
You're stupid to have given me that dumb attitude. Where are my clothes? Where are my things? The wardrobe is locked. The drawer is locked. I cannot have access to my things. And my phone is missing.
Oh. I thought we had a serious chaos.
Chinenye.
Is that the problem? Honey, you have no problem at all.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? Can I have my phone and my keys now?
No.
What?
You heard me. I will not give you your clothing, your phones, or your car keys. Except you and I are going out together. And that's fine now.
What? Is this some kind of marital arrest or what?
Stay out of this, young boy. Your brother is still going after that dirty girl.
You're always so fast in your insane actions. Without even knowing that my brother here is asking me
to marry a prostitute and bring her to this house. I know all of that. Such advanced and professional gimmick.
What the hell is she talking about?
Oh. You don't know? You don't know your brother wants you to marry that girl so you can bring her into this family and she will be close to him. And their love affair will be solidified.
Where is this nonsense coming from? I hope you're not letting her use your mind.
Trust me, bro. I won't even dare. Yeah, I won't.
Pamela, I need my phones and my keys now. And right now, I want you to start calling your father. Start calling your father now and tell him that I'm going to do what I have to do. And no one will stop me from taking the bull by the horn.
Rule number 3.
Rule number 3, walk there.
Nobody threatens Princess Pamela.
I need my car! I need my key and my phone! Now!
You just punched your definitions for child's insanity.
I just told you I am not giving you that car key. What more do you want me to say? I'm not giving it, and that's fine now.
Do you know what? Do you know what? Do you know what? That car key now. Pamela! That car key now. Go and bring it.
What is it?
Go and bring it.
What is it?
Who the hell are you, Pamela?
Father.
What Papa there? I'll kill you and kill your father. Call your father. Look at this mad idiot. They're keeping quiet in this house for you and you're messing up. Call your father. Because I'll do what I have to do now.
Lizzie, I think I just punctured the ferocious bowels of Charles's untamed insanity. You made me do this, Lizzie. You alone. Charles has actually threatened to do what I accused him of. Come off it, Lizzie. What if he never meant any of it? What if I'm the one who actually pushed him into it? I don't know what your next advice is going to be. But trust me, if anything goes awry, I am certainly blaming you for it. With his brother, I guess. I don't know. Isn't that what brought out the beast in him? In fact, why am I even taking all this advice from you? I'm the married one here, not you. No, you don't get it. That's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to explain to you. What? Liz! you.
Bro, what was the meaning of what you displayed out there?
I guess you did it out of anger.
I meant every word I uttered.
So, you are going to do what she accused you of by marrying Binyarum.
Isn't that what she wants?
Then what happens to our arrangement? Who is it?
Pamela's father.
The lion himself. Pick his call.
For what? Just shut up and mind your business.
Alright. I have shut up. I have mind my business.
You didn't like what I said, and I've apologized for it. Why are you still getting overly uptight? What else would you want me do? Die?
You know how much I hate it when you make it look like it's my fault that I'm not married. Yet you employ that each time you have misunderstanding to spite me. What is wrong with you? What do you mean I wasn't the one married but you?
Because it's only the wearer of shoes who knows where it pinches. Why do you hate being told the truth? Lizzie, do you even know what I'm going through in my marriage? Do you? But yet again, you're not married, so I don't expect you to understand.
And you're still saying that to me. Pamela.
Lizzie, I'm not saying this out of spite. But the truth remains that I am the one who is married and you are not married. And now taking advice from you has been, coming back to me. It's been hitting me hard. And I feel because you're not married, you keep giving me the wrong advice.
What? How dare you? Get out of my house.
Excuse me?
You heard me right. Out! Out of my house now!
Fine.
Out.
You mean...
Make your way. Pamela, out of my house. I don't want to shout again. Out.
Charles. Father. This palace has been filled with unpleasant voices and noises of chaos for a very long time. Tell me, what is really happening?
Father, I suppose that the king is already aware of the things happening in the palace, for the most part.
Totally agreed. But let me ask you this. What is the state of your heart after your wife?
Father, you see, this thing going on between Pamela and I, it's not supposed to be so. We're never loving and agreeing to each other before now. You and the father doctored it all.
Let me tell you this. Every single thing I have done is for the best interest of my children, and this is not different.
Father, is just for the most part. I am taking another wife, a second wife.
You will do no such thing.
Father, I am putting her away and I'm taking a second wife.
You will do no such thing.
Second wife then? And that is it.
And I'm saying you dare not.
Not go against your father's wish. That will only mean war.
My father is literally concerned in everything that matters about my brother. I wish to flip the script now.
If you're getting ready to be rebellious against your father, the king of our land, how will this work?
I have my brother backing on this. He's more than enough support.
I don't know what... This feels different. I don't know what it is, though.
It's okay. I'll make sure you'll be fine, okay? Come on.